Hi guys! Today we're learning how to fix the Google Drive uploading problem. First of all, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Now check whether your internet connection is stable or not, because Google Drive uploads depend heavily on internet speed. Now carefully check if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. If the internet looks disconnected, reconnect it and wait a few seconds. Honestly, in many cases, this simple step fixes the upload issue instantly without doing anything complicated. If the issue is still not fixed, go back to the home screen and open the App Store. Sometimes an outdated version of Google Drive causes uploading problems and app glitches. So updating the app is one of the best and easiest solutions you can try. Now tap on the search option at the bottom right corner of the App Store. This will allow you to quickly find the Google Drive app without scrolling through apps manually. So just type the app name and continue to the next step. Type Google Drive in the search bar and open the app from the results. Once the app page opens, you'll see all the details related to Google Drive. This is also the place where app updates become available whenever Google releases fixes. Now check if you can see the Update button. If the button appears, tap on it and wait for the app to update completely. In my case, it shows open because the app is already updated. But if your app is outdated, updating it will most likely fix the uploading issue. And that's how you can easily fix the Google Drive uploading problem step by step. Usually, checking the internet connection and updating the app solves the issue completely. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and also comment below for more simple and useful tutorials like this.